Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about monthly stock market update, and we will figure out is it bullish reversal signal, bullish trend, or still bearish, what's going on with the stock market world. Let's move to trading view, and we will do review. Okay, let's start from performance, monthly time frame performance, stock heat map. Looks like technology green. Yeah, Q is the most bullish stock, the most bullish index. Q's finance red. Yeah, that's what expected. And electronic technology, Apple, yeah, technology, the old technology red. Mega stocks very green. Even retail, Amazon, Walmart green. Only large corporation green, right? Health technology looks like green. Rest of the Tesla negative. 50-50, right? But yeah, the most of the mega stocks are still green. Still green on the monthly time frame performance. Okay, let's move to charts and we will do review. If you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup trading and other links about all my trainings. And I don't trade on the monthly or weekly time frame. For swing trading, I'm using 4 hours and daily time frame for entry and exit position. And my style, just follow the market trend. Don't fight with the market trend. Don't guess, pray, or predict market direction. Just follow it. If market change direction, please change direction, and it works. It's a simple way how to be successful. Just follow the market, not fight with the market. Okay, let me briefly mention about my setup. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is SPX, S&P 500 weekly. I'm using moving averages. White line it's SMA 200. Red line is SMA 10, green line SMA 5. Yellow line it's EMA 20. Also I'm using buy and sell script. At the same time I'm using MACD indicator. MACD indicator, green line it's a bullish, red line it's a bearish, white line it's a signal line. Also Fibonacci and RSI indicators. RSI it's a yellow line, Fibonacci red bars bearish, green bars bullish. Very simple. It's not easy because of your emotions involved. If you follow just indicators, don't use your emotions, trust your indicators. Indicators do not have emotions, they always right. Emotions always will confuse you. That's all. Let's start it monthly time frame for SPX. SPX MA5 did bullish crossover. Green line did bullish crossover over red line. It's a bullish signal, and it's even touched, the green line even touched, let's see, even touched or did bullish crossover over yellow line, over 20. It's interesting because last time MA5 did bearish crossover on the monthly time frame in 2008, bearish crossover and bullish crossover in 2009. That's kind of could be very quick turn around from bearish direction to bullish direction. We'll see. The last bar, but the month, we just finished month March, right? April just started, but March was very green, and it was, let's see, for last 5 months, looks like we are dancing between MA5. It was dancing between MA5 and MA20, but each month it did close above MA20 each time. That's kind of positive because when bars above MA20 it is positive, when below it is negative. And it was disconnected when like 14 months ago when bars were very far from 20. That's why it was disconnected and it connected now to MA20. Now it's a narrow state, all moving averages and bars at the MA20 state. But MA20 is still far from 200. That's the white state. It definitely wants to connect. Someday it will connect to SMA 200. This white line. It's around 2200. Someday it will do it. It will test this. Maybe this year, maybe next year. We'll see. We'll see when a recession will start and it will be time to reconnect. Okay, in this, MA5 did bullish crossover, bullish trend. MACD didn't confirm bullish trend. You see, March volume was very high, very bullish. Fibonacci changed color from green to red, from red to green. Actually, it's a just change. Yeah, it's in April, but March was green. I'm sorry, March was red. What's going on with my with me? Okay, March was red. Yeah. So far it wants to go bullish, but we'll see. March just started. It's the first week of the month. If we cannot, but March was red on the Fibonacci. MACD is still red, and MA5 did bullish crossover. Let's see on quarterly what's going on with S&P 500. Quarterly, green bar, MA5 still did bearish crossover over 10, still bearish. MACD is still red, still bearish. Fibonacci is still red, still bearish. Sell mode on the script. Quarterly, we're still bearish. It did bounce. 2 quarters ago, we did bounce from MA20, from the yellow line. MA20 it bounced. Same like in 2020, it bounced from, and it did run. It's possible that it will be, this time it will be the same. But in MA20, it was different scenario because it was very quick and so SMA5 green line didn't make bearish crossover over 10. In this case, we did. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. It is bearish trend. It is bearish crossover. And MACD, all indicators did bearish crossover. Ready for, it's a still bearish trend on quarterly. Like I said, monthly, it's still mixed. Some indicators bullish, some indicators bearish. Let's move weekly. Let's see weekly. Weekly, it's a fully bullish, right? All indicators bullish. Buy signal. Actually, buy signal. MA5 didn't make bullish crossover yet. MACD green, bullish, and Fibonacci green, bullish also. Fibonacci bullish. All indicators bullish except one moving averages line on weekly time frame. Let's move to Qs. Let's start weekly. Weekly bullish trend for Qs. Qs is the most powerful and the most positive index. Look at it. This green line started from the top of the market. Bullish trend on all indicators. On monthly time frame for Qs, it's a buy signal. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. It's a bullish signal. MACD ready for bullish crossover. Fibonacci already did change direction from red to green. It did bullish crossover last month. It is bullish. It is bullish already. And volume was last month was strong. SMA 200 still uptrend, still bullish. Still bullish. Yeah, that's what my expectation, that market will touch like around 170 and the SMA 200 will reach. It will bounce. It touched the midpoint 200 and bounce from it. Maybe it will happen this year, maybe like last year, we'll see. So far, it's no confirmation yet. I don't like to predict anything. Let's move. So far, it's bullish. It's bullish, and at the same time, it's a negative, because look at it. All moving average is below 20. When they below 20, it is negative. But bars already, the last bars already above 20. It is positive. Let's move to quarterly. Quarterly, it's still bearish. MA5, green line did bearish crossover, sell signal on the script. Even the previous quarter was very bullish. It bounced from 20, bounced from the yellow line from MA20 and connected to MA10. But MA5 still did bearish crossover, bearish trend. MACD red bearish, Heikanaichi red bearish. The trend is still bearish. We'll see if it will continue to go bullish and retested the recent high and make it new high, or it will continue to go bearish. This quarter, we'll see what will be this quarter. Will it continue go bearish, or will it move above SMA 10? Bearish trend on quarterly time frame. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones quarterly, same trend. Bearish crossover, bearish trend, sell signal on the script on quarterly time frame. Let me maximize it. Quarterly, it's still bearish. MA5 did bearish crossover long time ago, right? In 2008, look at it. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, 2008. And after that, it did move below 20. In this case, it didn't move below 20 yet, below the yellow line. It just did, yeah, it touched MA10 in 2016, right? But it didn't cross over. Let's see. Let me show you. This bearish crossover. Same bearish crossover on the MACD, right? It's on the quarterly time frame. Same bearish crossover on Heikanaichi and RSI. RSI bearish crossover. And similar was in 2008. Similar last time was 14 years ago in 2008. Same setup. We didn't have recession yet. We'll see. If recession will start this year, MA5 will do bearish crossover over 20. And now it just did bearish crossover over 10. And the previous, actually, yeah, quarterly. We just started new quarter. The previous quarter was actually this quarter was from last year. It was fourth quarter. It was it's a Dow Jones. Dow Jones on quarterly time frame. It was huge bullish quarter. And the first quarter was in decision mode. And we'll see what will happen this quarter, because in decision mode, market can continue go bullish or continue bearish. We'll see. So far, it's a positive, but trend is still bearish on all indicators. Let's move to monthly time frame. Monthly time frame. Let me remove this circle. Yeah, it doesn't work very well when you move between time frames, it shows weird stuff. On the monthly time frame, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20, bullish trend. MACD ready for bullish crossover, bullish trend. Fibonacci still red bars, RSI did bullish crossover. It wants to go bullish on monthly time frame. Dow Jones wants to go bullish. Weekly time frame, let's see. Weekly time frame, it is still bearish. Buy signal on the mode, but MA5 still below 20 and 10, still bearish. Even buy signal between these two major trend lines. Green and red, it's a major trend line that started 14 months ago. MACD red, Fibonacci green. Weekly time frame, it's a green week. Fibonacci green. Mixed mode, some indicators bullish, some indicators bearish. Let's move to Russell 2000. Russell 2000, the weakest index. Russell 2000, the weakest index. Let's start 3 months. Yeah, we could start from weekly. Let's start from weekly. Weekly Russell 2000, still bearish, right? Still bearish on all indicators. Still, yeah, it touched. Last week it touched this lower trend line, bounced from it, bearish crossover, MA5 did bearish crossover over 220, MA20 yellow line did bearish crossover over 200. It is bearish trend. Bearish trend on all indicators bearish. Let's see monthly. Russell 2000, the weakest index. On monthly time frame, Fibonacci red bearish, RSI bearish, MACD bearish below zero line. Moving averages, MA5 did bullish crossover over 5, and now it did already bearish crossover. It is bearish trend. Bearish trend on all indicators on monthly and quarterly. Quarterly it is bearish also. MACD bearish and Fibonacci bearish, all indicators bearish. MA5 did bearish crossover over 200 even. Oh, I'm sorry, over 20. Over 20. The bars, last two bars for last two quarters. Yeah, the previous quarter, January. This is April, just new quarter just started. Previous quarter was kind of weak, right? Very weak. Bearish trend on all indicators, on all time frames, on weekly, monthly, and quarterly. Let's move to Apple. Apple bearish crossover on all indicators, bearish trend on quarterly time frame. Let's move to monthly. Buy signal, monthly, it's a mixed mode. MACD still bearish, Fibonacci green bullish buy signal on the mode, on the script. On monthly, weekly it is bullish on all indicators. Weekly Apple bullish. Let's move to Tesla. Let's see what's going on with Tesla. Tesla, weekly time frame. Buy signal, MA5 still at MA20, it's kind of mixed mode. But buy signal and MA5 still at MA20. MACD green bullish, Fibonacci bullish, RSI bullish, all indicators bullish on weekly time frame. Let's see Tesla monthly. Monthly, you see this MA5 did bearish crossover and April 22, a year ago, and MACD did bearish crossover, Fibonacci bearish crossover. It's still bearish. On monthly, it is still bearish trend no changes. Still bearish trend. Quarterly, Tesla bearish also. Bearish, Tesla only bullish on weekly time frame, but monthly and quarterly still bearish. Let's move to BABA. Alibaba Group, quarterly time frame. Yeah, it's not enough data. Bearish with that limited data for quarterly. On monthly buy signal on emote, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, bullish trend. MACD did bullish crossover, green bullish trend, Heikanaichi green bullish. On monthly time frame, BABA bullish on all indicators. Weekly time frame, BABA also wants to go bullish. Buy signal on a script, MA5 did bullish crossover, didn't confirm it yet, didn't make bullish crossover yet. It just MACD didn't make bullish crossover yet, only Heikanaichi green and buy signal. 2 indicators bullish, 2 indicators bearish. Mixed mode on weekly time frame for BABA. US dollar, let's see what's gonna with US dollar. Weekly bearish, it's a bullish for indexes. Monthly US dollar bearish, also bullish for indexes. And 3 months it is bullish on moving averages, on MA, on moving, yeah, bullish on all indicators except Heikanaichi. That's all. That's what we did. We did just review. Let's do summary. All indexes, especially Russell 2000, very weak because of the financial, it has a lot of financial institutions, a lot of financial companies, banks, and very weak on weekly, monthly, and quarterly time frame, on all time frames. Qs, the most strongest. SPY on quarterly time frame, SPY, Dow Jones, and Qs on quarterly time frame, they all still bearish. All indexes on quarterly still bearish. On monthly time frame, they kind of 50-50%. Some indicators bullish, some indicators bearish. No full confirmation. And remember, my trend is full confirmation when all indicators align in the same trend direction. For me, it's a full confirmation. When it's 50-50, you never know. It's not a full confirmation. That's what we have on monthly time frame for S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow. On weekly time frame, they all bullish. That's what we have. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. If you want to, please read it. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational, informational purposes only. Remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading account. Thank you for watching Simple Trading Style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.